Welcome everyone. In this video we will be solving a problem from LeetCode which is add two numbers. So the problem description is we are given two non-empty linked lists representing two non-negative integers. The digits are stored in reverse order and each of their nodes contains a single digit. We need to add the two numbers and return their sum as a linked list. As we can see in the first example, first linked list is 243. So the number will be 342, which is 342. And in the second linked list the nodes are 5, 6 and 4 respectively, so the number will be 465. And if we add both of these numbers, 342 plus 465, we will get 807. Now we need to return the linked list, so we will return 708. So first node will be 7, second node will be 0 and third node will be 8. So we have already seen the problem description. Let's take this example. So the list one has 5 nodes where the first node has value 5, second node has value 3 and so on. So the number represented by list 1 will be 99435. Similarly, list 2 has 3 nodes which are 6, 2 and 8 respectively. So the number will be 826. Now we need to add both of these numbers which are 99435 and 826. So I have written 99435 and 826. So we will use the method which we used in when we were in like third or fourth class. We will use the same mechanism to add the numbers. So here 5 plus 6 is 11. So we will put 1 under 6 and the green one, that one will be carried over to the next digit. So now we will add 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 will be 5 and 1 is coming from the carry, that will be 6. So 6 can be written as 0, 6. We will write the 6 under 2 and the 0 will be carried over to the next digit. Now next digits are 4 and 8. 4 plus 8 will be 12 and the carry is 0. So 12 plus 0 is 12. Now the 2, we will write this 2 under 8 and 1 will be carried over to the next digit. Now only first number has a digit which is 9, so we can assume that second number has 0. So 9 plus 0 will be 9 and 1 is coming from the carry. 9 plus 1 will be 10. So we will put 0 under 9 and 1 will be carried over to the next digit. Now also there is only one digit in the first number. So 9 and 1 coming from the carry. 9 plus 1 will be 10. So we will write 0 under 9 and 1 will be carried over. And finally we have only carry. We don't have any digit neither in number 1 nor in number 2. So we can assume those to be 0. So 1 plus 0 will be 1. So it will be 1. And our final answer will be 100261. And we will return a linked list which is in reverse order. So first node will have value 1, second node will have value 6, third node will have value 2 and so on. Like this, we will return a linked list which will have nodes where the values are 1, 6, 2, 0, 0, 1 respectively. Now we will see how we do it in linked list, because we are not given numbers, we are given linked list. Since the linked lists which we have are in reverse order, so we can write those linked lists as follows. So here in the first linked list, the first node has value 5, the next node has value 3, the next node has value 4, the next node has value 9 and the next node has value 9. Similarly, in the second linked list, the respective values of the nodes are 6, 2 and 8. We will create a resulting node. So as you can see in the bottom part, there is a circle which is result node, and initially we have carry 0. First of all, we will add two numbers, uh, 5 plus 6, which will be 11. So we will create a new node and we will put 1 here, and the 1 will be carried over. So now our carry becomes 0 to 1. Now in the next iteration, we have moved forward. So now the new nodes are 2, 3 and 2. 3 plus 2 will be 5 and 1 is coming from carry. So 3 plus 2 plus 1 will be 6. We will create a new node and put 6 here, and now the carry will become 0. Similarly, we will do the whole iteration, and in the end you can see our resulting node is the rightmost node, but we don't need to return that was just a dummy node, so we will return result dot next, so the next node of the result. Now how to calculate the carry? So for example, from the previous iteration we have carry c previous, and the two digits which we need to add are d1 and d2. So the sum will be c previous plus d1 plus d2, and the carry for the next iteration will be sum divided by 10, and the digit which we need to keep will be sum mod 10. For example, the previous carry is 8, first digit is 9 and second digit is 5. So the sum will be 23, and if we divide 23 by 10 we will get 2, which will be the new carry, and if we uh, take remainder of 23 by 10, then we will get 3, which will be the digit which we need to keep. So that's all for this problem. Now let's start coding. I will start by creating a result node first. List node result equals to new list node, and we will not put anything in result node since this will be just a dummy node. We will create another list node which will be iterator for result node, so I can just say it will be result, and then uh, we will have one variable which will be carry, and its initial value will be 0. Now we need to iterate on both of these lists while uh, either there is some node in L1 or L2, or if we have some carry greater than 0. I will say while L1 is not null or L2 not null or carry greater than 0. If L1 is null, that means we have mm, completed the list L1. If it's null, then D1 will be 0, else D1 will be L1 dot val. Similarly, D2 will be, if L2 is null, D2 will be 0, else D2 will be L2 dot val. Now sum will be D1 plus D2 plus carry. Now we need to create an carry for the next iteration, which will be sum by 10, and we will assign this value to the carry variable. So carry will be sum by 10. Now for the next iteration our carry will be sum by 10, and we need a digit which we will place in the new node. The digit will be sum mod 10. So this is just elementary mathematics, how we do normal addition. We'll create a new node. So I will say new list node, and I will pass the digit here. So this list node will have value digit, and I will say it dot next equal to this, and then I will move it to the next node. will be it dot next. Now if L1 is not equal to null, we need to move L1 to the next node. L1 will be L1 dot next. Similarly for L2, if L2 not null, we will move L2 to the next node, and that is it. Now we will return result dot next. Since result is just a dummy node, we will return the next node of the result. Great. Our code is passing all three given test cases. Let's try submitting the code. Good. So our code got accepted. I will see you in the next video with another problem.